Ever spent hours editing a YouTube video just to get some views and zero subs? What if I told you there's a faster, smarter way, no camera, no mic, no editing, and it only takes 5 minutes using AI? Hey, I'm Petter from Petter AI Hustle. And if you're into AI tools that save time and help you make real money online, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell watch until the end. Because one small tweak at the final step can literally double your reach and earnings.
Today, I'll walk you through how to use Kling AI, a powerful new platform that turns simple text prompts into stunning cinematic videos. If you've heard of tools like Sora from OpenAI or Google's Veo, Kling is in that same league. But here's the best part. You can use it right now. Let's dive in. First, go to klingai.com. Click the Create button in the top right corner. You can sign up with your email or just log in using Google. Once you're in, you'll land on the Creative Studio. Super clean and easy to use. Now let's make your first video. Right in the middle of the screen, you'll see a text box. That's where you type your prompt. Basically, just describe the scene you want to see. Let me show you an example. I'll type, "A whale dives into the desert, stirring up huge sand waves." Now hit generate, wait a few seconds, and boom! Kling creates a beautiful 3D video. A giant whale slamming into a desert, dust flying like ocean waves, all from just one sentence. Insane, right? If you want to get better results, here's how to write a killer prompt. Describe the main subject, plus action, plus setting, and then add cinematic keywords like 4K resolution, slow motion, realistic lighting, epic landscape, and so on. Here's a great example. A knight in silver armor walks through a foggy, enchanted forest, glowing fireflies all around, cinematic lighting, 4K resolution. You'll get something absolutely magical. Once the video is ready, you can preview it, download it, or share it directly on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. And yes, this is perfect for content creators who want to post daily without filming anything. Want to take it to the next level? Combine ChatGPT plus Kling AI. Use ChatGPT to auto-generate dozens of prompts, then paste them into Kling. And boom, you've got a full batch of cinematic videos in minutes. That's exactly how we do it here at Petter AI Hustle. Fast, automated, and ready to scale.
If you're ready to build your faceless YouTube channel and let AI do the heavy lifting, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more walkthroughs like this. So don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.